Okay. So in the previous class, we had an example of linear filtering. So this concept is about if two signals of different length, that is the size of this given signal is different. So here they are going to talk about if the input signal for any device x of n, okay, x of n, it is length L, and the impulse response of the system itself. So system is going to add its performance. So that response is h of n half size m. So here the system has to perform calculation of two signals. One is xn and another one is the internal signal h of n. So the calculation is going to produce output y of n. Okay. So to calculate that one, it is a circular convolution, that is y of n is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m minus 1. It is x of k into x of n minus k. Then, and I have uploaded a previous class video in this YouTube channel. Okay. Next, go for the size of the output, that is y of n. It is going to give n is equals to the total size is n. Y of n has the length n, which is equals to the input signal length plus input the internal signal h of n length, that is m minus 1. Okay, that is L plus m minus 1. Okay, and we have solved a problem on that concept. If the internal signal h of n is 1, 2, 3. So by seeing this one, the m size is 3 now. Then x of n, that is input signal, it is 1, 2, 2, 1, that is 4. The length is 4. So therefore, the size of output is y, which is size is capital N. N is equal to L plus m minus 1. That is 4 plus 3 minus 1. That is 6. Okay. So how to perform the calculation? Here they are talking about DFT and IDFT. So you know how to perform x of n and h of n circular convolution in DFT by using previous calculations. Okay. Then you are going to get y of n. Okay. Y of n, that is the IDFT you have to take. Then you are going to get y of n. Okay. So another hint I told for fast calculation, another hint is perform the matrix multiplication of two signals. So consider the given signal is x of n. So get its matrix form. Okay. So h of n, get its matrix form. So here we are going to get the y of n, the circular matrix of x of n we need to get, and the matrix of h of n. So the size of the output is 6. So we need to get the matrix of both x of n and h of n for 6 points. So here h is 3 only, h of n is 3. So to make it length of 6, we need to add extra 3 zeros. So we can observe here extra 3 zeros are added. So the total length is 6. Similarly, the x of n, it is also 4. We need to add 2 extra zeros. You can observe here 2 extra zeros are added. So this is the given x of n. So how to get the circular convolution of circular matrix of x of n of n cross n matrix? So we are getting the circular shifted signals. Okay, circularly shifted elements. So how it is? So first put the first column is given signal. So first column is given signal 1, 2, 2, 1. So I have mentioned in the column wise. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 1. And I need to make it length of 6. So I have added 2 extra zeros. So this is the first column is given signal. Then I need to convert this given signal into n cross n matrix. So what I am going to do, I am going to shift circularly. How the method is? Put bottom element as first element in the next column. Okay, the bottom element is considered as first element in the next column. Then remaining bits are shifted accordingly from top to bottom. Remaining bits are shifted accordingly from top to bottom. So to create a next column, what you need to, from the previous column, the last bottom element is acting as first element, and remaining bits are shifted accordingly from top to bottom. Okay, so this repeats up to n cross n matrix we need to get. Then perform the matrix multiplication of x of n and h of n. So this is the concept. Then whatever the result you are going to get, it is the convolution of two signals x of n and h of n. So that is the answer. Okay. So we have ended this concept here. Then move towards the next concept. So here, so first time now two signals the circular convolution ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಎರಡು signals size ಏನಿತ್ತು ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ linear filtering concept ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಸೊ we need to get the equal size by adding appending extra zeros. ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ x of n. So in all the previous examples what we have practiced, here the given signal x of n is maximum ಏನಿದೆ ಬಿಟ್ 4 ಬಿಟ್ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, there are only 4 elements. ಭಾಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 8 ಬರಬಹುದು. Okay, so up to 8 you can perform the calculation. Okay, so you can observe here only if the given signal is only 4 elements and what is the matrix size, it is 6 ಇದೆ. Okay, it is depend on h of n. h of n 3 ಇದೆ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ h of n? There is no problem with this one because both remains same. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ, ಬರೀ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, so how you are going to deal with that long sequence data? Okay, how you are going to work with long sequence data? So the concept here we are going to adopt it is overlap save and overlap add method. By using these two methods we can calculate any lengthy input signal. So input signal only 4 element ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So here what I am talking here, okay, each word, okay, it is converted into one signal, and that signal we know from the model number 1 we are going to take the sample. Okay, sample from 0 to 2 pi. So ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ 0 to 2 pi ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಇಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ k elements you are going to do, how many n elements you are going to do, n equal to 4 or n equal to 8 or n equal to 32 or n equal to. ಸೊ n ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಕವರಿ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, accuracy ಇರುತ್ತೆ ರಿಕವರಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ experiment number 1 we compared the reconstructed signal and original signal. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬೇಡ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದಿ n ಸೈಜ್. ಸೊ n ಸೈಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ನೋ ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಂದಿ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸೇವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us begin with the first concept is overlap save method. So in this method, the size of the input data. So size of the input data. So before going to that one, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So here the lengthy signal is coming. Okay, let me draw here only. Okay, so I have a DFT calculator. Okay, I have a DFT calculator. So here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದರದೇ ಆದಂತ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಇದೆ, that is h of n ಇದೆ. Okay, then it has its own internal signal h of n. one signal ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, that is from output. So which is nothing but the ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ x of n ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, and the size of x of n is lengthy. Okay, n is maybe any number, 128 bits ಇರಬಹುದು, 255 52 bits ಇರಬಹುದು, 1000 bits ಇರಬಹುದು, who knows. what is the size of data is coming. So h of n ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, it may be minimum or it may be maximum. Okay, so we consider for an example it is x of n is minimum length. Okay, then ನಮಗೆ output ಏನು ಬೇಕು, y of n ಬೇಕು. Okay, y of n we need to get from this device. So if it is a lengthy, we had two examples. If the length of both x of n and h of n is same, yes, we can do circular convolution easily. Then if we have different length, okay, it is has L length, this one is m length, so y of n is L plus m minus n length. Okay, then third concept what we are discussing now, it is if x of n is long length. Okay, long sequence ittandre here we need to perform what, so the long sequence. So first basic task ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, we need to split this one into segments. So what we are going to do, given signal is split into block by block. So x of n ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವ್ರಿ, x1 of n, x2 of n, x3 of n up to the size. Okay, we are going to divide, we create the blocks. Segmentation where we need to do with given signal, that is x of n. So each signal, sub signal ideyala, each segment, each block, that is multiplied with h of n. Okay, each block. So if you created n blocks, so here x1 of n is multiplied with h of n and you are going to get y1 of n. Similarly, x2 of n multiplied with, okay, multiplied with h of n and you are going to get y2 of n. Okay, y2 of n. So it is goes on increasing. So number of blocks na you are going to go on calculating. Okay, block by block calculate agutte, and at the output we are going to merge these all y, y1, y2, y3, y4 ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ y ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is the concept adopted in overlap save method and overlap add method. But how split ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ, ಕೂಡಿಸೋದು ಹೇಗೆ, that is the concept here. So here the input blocks is of size n, okay, which is equal to L plus m minus 1. So this n indicates output of the block. Okay, output of the block. So it is representing y. It may be y1 or y2 or y3 because total y is how much? It is different. So here it is, each block y1 and y2 have same size, that is n, which is equal to L plus m minus 1. Okay, so each block consists of, now ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋಣ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್, ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ last m minus 1 data points of previous data block. So ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, x1 ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ x0 ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ, x2 ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ x1 ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, x3 ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ x2 ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, if it is initial step, we begin with 0. Okay, x1 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, x1 ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ previous block ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So previous block ಇಲ್ಲ, it is a first step. Then we need to begin with adding zeros. So each block consists of last m minus 1. ಎಷ್ಟು zeros add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಹಳೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ we need to consider, that is m minus 1. Okay, m minus 1 data points to be added as the first element. Then we need to move towards remaining L data points from the present x of n. Okay, to create the size of n is equal to L plus m minus 1. Okay, so this is the thing. So here I have split it into number of blocks. So x1 of n is m minus 1 of previous block. So previous block illa, adike em madಬೇಕು ನಾನು, I am adding zeros. Then we need to begin with remaining bits. So total size ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ x of n ಅದು, it is L bits. So it is L plus M minus 1. So total size ಏನಾಯ್ತು n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here we need to go for remaining the values from x0, x1, x of L minus 1. Okay. Next bit, next block create ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ that is x2 of n. So here we need to consider previous m minus data points from x1 of n. So ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ. Only ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? Only m minus 1 bits we need to consider. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಸೊ L minus 1 ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? XL. Okay, x of L up to x of 2L minus 1. So total size ಏನಾಯ್ತು? L plus m minus 1. So that is n. Similarly, x3 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ x2 m minus 1 ಹಳೆವು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Only m minus 1. Then we need to add remaining bits which is going to equal to the match of L size. Okay, this is once again according to mathematics. If you want to show this one in the graphical view, you can easily get to this graphical approach. So total signal ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Given signal L size ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. So this is the L of size x of m. Okay. So ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೈಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? n is equal to L plus m minus 1. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? m minus 1. So first step ಇದ್ರೆ 0 ತಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. That is x1 of n. So x1 of n is having first m minus 1 bits are zeros. Then up to L. x1 of n ದ್ದು L bits ನ you need to consider. Then x2 create ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ previous m minus 1 bit ನ first element ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Then add remaining L points from x of n. Similarly, to create x3, consider first m minus 1 bits from x2 of n and remaining L bits from x of n. Okay, so you can get the complete structure. So next output signal ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ as I told. So you need to multiply this x1 of hn with x1 with h, x2 with h and x3 with h, and you are going to get what? y1, y2 and y3. So what is total output y? So in the first element from each y, you need to neglect first m minus 1 points. First m minus 1 points bit ಕೂಡಿಸಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ. So y1 added with y2 added with y3 by discarding first m minus 1 points of each y. So you are going to get that final output, that is y, which is equal to merging of y1, y2 and y3. I think this diagram is going to simplify the concept. Okay, it is about overlap save method. Next is overlap add method. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? m minus 1 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. m minus 1 zeros ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, we consider only L numbers from x of n, and remaining m minus 1 are considered as zeros. Things will be added at the last element. Okay, you can observe here. Given x of n, I am going to divide into 3 blocks. Okay, that is x2 of n and x3 of n. So x1 of n ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Up to L bits. We are going to consider x of n only. So x of 0, x of 1 up to x of L minus 1. So 0 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. L ಸೈಜ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ L minus 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So total size is L now. Now I need to add m minus 1 zeros at the last. So total size ಏನಾಯ್ತು? L plus m minus 1, that is nothing but n. Okay. Similarly for x2. x2 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ first L element from x. Okay. First elements ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? x of n ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ L minus 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? x of L up to x of 2L minus 1. So remaining bits to get the n size, we need to add m minus 1 zeros. Similarly x3. So last game ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವ್ರಿ. By seeing this diagram, we need to merge. We got x1 by adding extra zeros, x2 by adding extra zeros, x3 by adding extra zeros at the end. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, y1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, y2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, y3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ ಅವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ವೇರ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ m-1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವು ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ರೀ, ಇದನ್ನಾರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನಾರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು discard. Okay, we consider the last elements. Okay, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, both are same. ಇವು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲಿ we consider only one. Okay, so that is merging concept of y1, y2 and y3. So here, how to deal with long sequence? The long sequence is going to be split into n number of blocks. Okay, that is x1, x2, x3. Each block is multiplied with impulse response h of n. Okay, by using any method, circular irbodu, linear irbodu, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, there is no issue. Okay, but ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದರದು. Then you get y of n, then merge each block output. Okay, that is original output from the device. So in overlap save method, how we are going to perform? We consider m-1 zeros, m-1 elements from previous block. Okay, and remaining L bits from x of n. So that each block is multiplied with x, h, you are going to get y1, similarly y2, similarly y3, and neglect m-1 points, first m-1 points from each y block. So the total answer is y itself. Similarly, overlap method, we just create the blocks by appending m-1 zeros in each block. Okay, m-1 zeros in each block, and at the output we consider y1, y2, the first or last element. Okay, this is the thing with respect to overlap save and overlap add method for long sequence input. So if we go for the problems, here we have two problems I have chosen from previous question paper. It is find the output y of n, okay, of a filter whose impulse response h of n is 3 to 1, and the input ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, now we can observe it is a long sequence. Next is it is not only 4 bits or it is not only 8 bits, it is a lengthy sequence. X of n is equal to 2, 1, -1, -2, -3, 5, 6, -1, 2, 0, 2, 1. So using overlap and save method, we need to perform this calculation. Overlap and save method. So in the main exam, he is going to ask only one. ಎರಡು ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. It is for 10 marks. Okay, ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 12 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ. So, and he is going to tell, use 8-point circular convolution. So 9 ಹೇಳಿದೆ x and h, x1 of n into h of n, x2 of n into y of n, h of n. So ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So you need to merge these two. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ನೀವು linear ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, circular ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So he is telling what concept, by using circular convolution. Okay, circular convolution use ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು maximum time he is going to ask circular convolution only. So by using circular convolution of size ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು, each block of the 8 points ಇರಬೇಕು. So 8 point is nothing but what he is giving, n value. So n is equal to 8 ಇರಬೇಕು. So n is equal to 8 ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನವ. So what is the equation for n? N is equal to L plus m minus 1. L plus m minus 1. So ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, h of n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೈಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 3 to 1. So what is the size of h of n? That is m. So m ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, m ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, L ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. What is this L? It is L is size of each block, x1 of n, x2 of n, x3 of n. You can observe here L. So L bits you need to consider from original sequence. Okay, so go for that calculation. Go for that calculation. Now I'm going to use some concept here, that is Excel sheet. But in the answer sheet, you have to go on practicing. Okay, it is for your easy calculation purpose. I am using this tool. So here, the given signal is x of n, which is of size L, x of n, h of n, it is m. So convolution of x of n and h of n is nothing but the size is n is equal to L plus m minus 1. So the given task is find the output y of n of a filter whose impulse response h of n is 3 to 1 and input signal x of n. Using overlap and sieve method, use 8-point circular convolution in the approach. So one by one, note the one. So I need to create first what is the size of L. Okay. So L size becoming here what they have given? They have given m is equals to, okay, capital M is equal to how much they have given? Capital M is nothing but given by 3 points. Howda? 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So ನಮಗೆ L size ಬೇಕು. L equal to what? Okay. But what he has given n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So n is equal to how much? 8 he is going to tell. Okay. 8 he is going to tell. So he is using here this word 8. Okay. So what is this size of L now? L is equals to what it becomes? L is equals to, according to this formula, L is equal to n minus m plus 1, isn't it? According to this formula, n is equal to L plus m minus 1 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ L equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? m ಮತ್ತು n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Anyone is going to answer?
Minus n plus 1.
Okay. So L is equals to what is the answer? L is equals to, let me write here, not here, here. L is equals to n minus m plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. According to calculation. So ಇದು calculate ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? So you can, if you are not familiar with Excel sheet, you can observe here. ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ calculation. You can write the functions in the Excel sheet also. Let me go for that one. Equal. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು equal symbol ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. So equal symbol ಎದ್ರದ್ದು n minus m okay, minus m plus 1. So answer is 6. Answer is 6 is the answer. So size of 6 now means each x1, okay, it should be added with 6 original signals elements and m minus 1 from previous block. M minus 1 from previous block. So first time ನಾವು 6 split ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ. Given signal 6 blocks ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So in the given signal, here it is 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so let me go for, it is x1 of n. So x1 of n, I am creating first element which is equals to, okay, ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತವೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? First m minus 1. So what is m minus 1? M is 3. What is m minus 1? Only 2 elements. So and 2 elements are from what? Previous block or 0? If it is the first step, we need to add zeros. So ಎಷ್ಟು 0 ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ? 2 zeros. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? 0, 0. First ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನು, comma, then let me make it 0 ಆಯ್ತು. Next how many bits I need to consider from the original sequence?
6.
6 elements. So what are those? It is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 up to 6. So ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
2.
comma 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, comma -1, -2, comma -3, comma 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I hope it is a total 6 elements or 7. How many elements are there? 8 elements.
8
Is it correct? Okay. Similarly, x2 of n create ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? n create ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ I need to take according to this diagram. So to create x2 of n, I need to take m-1 bits from previous block. m-1. So ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಹಳೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So what are those elements? Previous 2 elements from the last 2 elements from x1 of n, that is -3 and 5.
5.
Okay. Then I need to left with what? L size. So 6 ಯಾವ ಬಿಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು? L ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ x of n ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. So that is nothing but -3 -5. Then I need to go for 6, comma -1, comma 2, comma 0, comma 2, comma 1. I think total element ಆಗಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. I think it is over. Split ಆತ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ x of n into 2 blocks. It depends. 2 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, 3 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, 4 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, 10 ಆಗ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. It depends on what is the size of circular convolution. ಇವ 8 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ. 8 point circular convolution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದು only 2 splits, x1 and x2. Okay, so to get to y1, what is the formula? Y1 of n is nothing but what? It is circular convolution of x1 of n, x1 of n into
H of n.
h of n. Circular convolution ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Similarly, y2 of n, it is x2 of n multiplied with h of n. So last game ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We need to merge ಬಂದಂತ answer y1 and y2 na we need to what? By discarding, we need to merge by discarding the m-1 first point from each y. So m-1 first bit ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡಿಸಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ it is y of n. Okay, so go for that circular convolution. So circular convolution of ನಮಗೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾದಿದೆ. So x1 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, x2 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So x1 and h also we know. So x1 is 0, 0, 2, 1, -1, -2, -3, -5. Sorry, 5. Okay, similarly x2 of n is -3, 5, 6, -1, 2, 0, 2, 1 multiplied with h of n. So circular convolution ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ let me go for previous calculation. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ by using a simple method, that is by performing this one. So here we need to consider h of x of n. So x of n ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 8 point ಇದೆ. So h of n ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Only 3 point ಇದೆ in our example. Okay, x of n 8 point ಇದೆ, h of n only 3 point ಇದೆ. So ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. So by taking matrix of x of n, okay, let me put according to this calculation. Okay, circular matrix of x of n create ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, then the h of n. So let me go for the same calculation here. So let me take here. Okay, so x of n ನಾನು circular ಹಾಕೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. So how it will be? The circular x1 of n, how it will be in matrix form. So let me go for here. ಏನೇನಿದೆ? 0 ಇದೆ, 0 ಇದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ, -1 ಇದೆ. Okay, then -2, then -3 and 5. So I know how to get the next column. In the circular fashion, I need to put this one for 8 cross 8 matrix. Okay, so how it is? The last, this element is going to act as first element. So which is equals to this one. Okay, next it will be what? From top to bottom, remaining bits will be arranged accordingly. You can observe here. So the first bottom element is going to act as first element, and remaining bits are shifted accordingly from top to bottom. Similarly, if I go for the next concept, yes, the last element is going to act as first element. You can observe, and remaining bits are shifted accordingly. Similarly, go for fourth column. You can observe, yes, the last element is acting as first element, and remaining bits are shifted. Next, fifth column, sixth column, seventh column, and last column. I hope it is 8 cross 8 matrix. Total it is 8 cross 8 matrix. Okay, we got circular convolution, that is matrix of x of n, x1 of n. Similarly, I need to create what? H of n. So h of n only 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 3, 2, 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. I need to make it size of 8. I need to add zeros. Now it is a vector of 8 elements, h of n. So what this is, it is h of n, isn't it? Now what we need to do, just perform the multiplication of matrix multiplication of x of n and h of n to get y1 of n. So what is the answer? Y1 of n. So if I go for y1 of n, I'm going to give the answer. Em barutte matrix multiplication. Let me go for this one. Okay, here this one, first element, okay, multiplied with this element, isn't it? Then plus this element multiplied with second element. Plus third element multiplied with this element. I'm just performing according in Excel sheet. I'm performing matrix multiplication. Okay. Otherwise, ready-made answer is there in Octave. So you online is there. Even I can show that one in the Octave platform also. How the circular convolution will be done using MATLAB. Then this one multiplied with this one. I think the last bits will be 0, 0, 0 because the remaining elements are 0. So let me end up with only 3 elements. Okay. End up with 3 elements. The first answer is 7. So this is the answer. 7, 5, 6, 7, 1, and is it correct? Yeah. So y1 is 7, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, minus 7, minus 4, minus 14, and 7. Similarly, if I go for, let me save this one as it is. Okay. What is y1? Oh, so y1 is this one. Then similarly, let me keep it here. Okay, y1. Now I want to know y2. So y2 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ x2 ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. So if you want x2, so let me make it x2. So x2 is what? It is -3, 5, 6, -1, 2, 0, 2, 1 is there. Okay. Then this one is what? White. So y2 is -5, 10, 25, 14, 10, 3, 8, 7, according to matrix multiplication. So finally, y of n is what? Y of n is equals to, y of n is, you just discard first m-1 bits from each y. So first m-1 andre first iveredu bitbiಡ್ರಿ, neglect it. Let me make it red. First y1 ಎರಡು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, next y1 ಎರಡು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, these are original y. These are original y. Okay, so this is the final answer. Y of n is 6, 7, 1, -7, -14, 7, 25, 14, 10, 3, 8, 7 for the given sequence x of n and h of n. So this is the final answer. So it is about overlap save method. So overlap add method alli em martivi ನಾವು while creating this one. Okay, ille first m ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ only zeros add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. m-1 last elements are considered as zeros, purely zeros for each x. Okay, so this is the concept regarding the overlap save method. So in the next class we deal with overlap add method. Hope you got this concept. Okay, so any doubt here? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So if you want, once again, I will upload this video. Okay, I will share this link in the YouTube. So YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Okay, so that it is going to and perform the calculation. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ನಾ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಟ ಮಾಡೇನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, because it is a software. So software ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಪಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Because I have not calculated what is the y2 of n. So y1 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬೆಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು DFT IDFT ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಮೈನಸ್ ಜೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಎಲ್ಲದರನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂದ್ರೂ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ the linear concept, that is matrix multiplication in main exam also. So ಪಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ you are perfect in matrix multiplication. ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅದೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂರ್ಸೋತ್ನ ಕಳೆಯೋತ್ನಾಗ -3 ಇದೆ +3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, because the simplest thing is going to give the confusion. Because confusion you are going to get a minimum marks. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ 10 or 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 15-20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ y1 and y2. ಸೊ 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಿ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 15ರಿಂದ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ನೀವು ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಐ ನೋ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ n ಕ್ರಾಸ್ n, 10 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 10, 20 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 20 ನಾ ಪಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ರೀ, ಆಗತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಓವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ. ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ that one practice it. So this, in this session we are going to end up this concept. In the next class we deal with the next overlap and add method. Okay, so according to today's attendance it is only 15 members minus 1 adu nanu. Okay, illa 15 members nanna subject ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತದೆ. It is 15 members out of 62. Out of 62. ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೋಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಈ ವರ್ಷ ದೇವರು ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ವರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂತೇಳಿ. Anyone want to respond?